Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 21st, 2023, the longest day of the year. Not so good news, because we have in today's newspaper only 3 regular puzzles: the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. There is no additional in this newspaper. Let me show you. No additional with extra puzzles. What I will do is I will solve the yesterday's edition. Yesterday I believe we have an additional, so the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday edition I will solve in the evening. There are 3 puzzles left, I believe, so no extra puzzles. So in the evening I will do those puzzles, but first let me start with these 3 regular puzzles, and the first one is the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6628. Yeah, 6628. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Then. Let me see. Come on. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Now, I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have also a 3. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, and O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Well. We solve again, and I like this one. Yes, we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. By the way, the news of today, war day number 483. Yes, 483 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.